Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can edit your work items and tasks in the plain project management application. For example, if you'd like to add changes to your task or customize it. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the plain application, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left. After that, navigate to your project by expanding it and select work items. In the next step, simply select your view here in the top right corner, like for example, a grid layout or a list or for instance, a board view like this one here. So what you want to do is simply click into these three dots next to the given task and select edit here from that drop-down menu. After that, you will be redirected to that editing view here. So you may, for example, change various fields and statuses, like for example, assign it to a different column, or for instance, a priority, assign a coworker or friend of yours, set a due date, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's it. If you'd like to update or save your changes, simply click into update in the bottom right. And that's it. After that, your work item will be successfully edited and updated. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.